That might work great, killing a bug flying through the air. But is that going to kill a bug on your computer? We all own computers, all of us. They work when they're new, but over time they slow down and become slugs. Much like a car, a computer needs regular maintenance. I'm not saying change the oil in your computer. What I'm saying is computers need to be regularly swept for malware in order to function properly. Malware can be divided into two categories: the computer virus and spyware. The computer virus is a program that can copy itself and infect a computer without the permission or knowledge of the user. Spyware is any technology that aids in gathering information about a person or organization without their knowledge. Every computer user should take 3 steps to make sure their system is free of malware's poisoning effect. These 3 steps outlined: search out viruses and spyware hiding on your computer, remove the malware that is gumming up your works, and take steps to prevent future malware from invading your system. By freeing your system from malware, you are allowing it to process at the speeds it was designed to process at. Let's search out some malware. Malware pretends to be legitimate software on your computer. Complex malware hides in your registry. Your registry is a very complex system or command center for your operating system to coordinate different program activities. Malware uses this complexity to hide itself. Malware can also use the registry to reinstall itself once it's removed, if you do not also remove it from the registry. So you will repeat the malware upon rebooting your computer. Software is needed to manipulate the registry because it is too vast and complex to be followed by the human eye. We're going to discuss 2 pieces of software which will help us in our work. CCleaner is a wonderful piece of software. The C stands for a not so nice word for rubbish, but bear with me. It's written by hackers for hackers to protect from hackers. You can download CCleaner at http://www.ccleaner.com. Please install this program once you've downloaded it. The other piece of software we're interested in is called Spybot Search and Destroy. The name says it all, folks. It's going to go out there and it's going to search and destroy the spyware that's infecting your machine. It is also written by a hacker that wants to help us protect ourselves from malware. Please download this software from www.safer-networking.org/en/download. Install this program once you've downloaded it. After we install these programs, we're going to need to put the computer into safe mode. Safe mode is an operating system default that allows a programmer to access the root of the operating system without having to worry about extracurricular programs that the user has added on after the fact. What this will give us is a diagnostic mode used to analyze PC problems because later added software is not interfering with our activities. Effectively, because it does not access the entire registry at startup, it only activates the registries that are essential for the computer to operate. Bypassing native registry queues will not allow malware removal, so we must use safe mode. Safe mode can be detected by the 4 corners of the screen saying the words safe mode. It's really that easy. But how do we enter it? You enter it by turning your computer to a completely off state. And then when you bring the computer back on, as the screen is coming hot, which we call boot, you hit the F8 key and hold it on the keyboard. This will bring up the option to enter safe mode or safe mode with network support. It's saying, do you want your internet connection enabled? We're going to say yes to that. Now let's hunt down some malware. We're going to run CC Cleaner. The safe mode desktop is much like your normal desktop, except for those 4 safe modes in each corner. We're going to run CC Cleaner, and the very first thing we're going to do is update that program. We want to make sure that we have the absolute most up-to-date library references available on the program so that we can make sure that all the future and current malware that is detected is available to be detected by